What's up, guys? And today we are going to be doing a kind of like I'm going to be shooting an RPG. Um, you'll just see during later in this video. But make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you guys ever want to see me, go join my fan code, which is Hopper22VR. That's my it's my name, but it's my YouTuber code. And so, if you ever want to see me, join that code. And so let's just get on with the video. So I'm gonna first off try the new RPG, and then I'm going to be shooting it right here, like jumping and shooting it, and see how far I can reach. And I'm gonna try to reach to the top of the building. So, and then I'm gonna increasingly start adding more and more RPG ammo. I'm poor. And so, before we get started with that, I'm trying to afford this. This is like, because if any of you know what the anime is, Attack on Titan, this update is referencing it, and these new items right here, Yeet Blade, and they're just like kind of like this is an Attack on Titan update. And this is a new thing that I haven't said yet, but my favorite anime is Hunter x Hunter. I do like a lot of other animes like Naruto, Demon Slayer, and yeah, those two. I think that's it. But I'm trying to get into more animes. I just have to finish my other animes because I'm normally just like watching YouTube shorts rather than that. But I should be doing that instead. And so, let's move on to the video. I'm kind of close to affording it. It is 2,475 and I'm 2,325. So I'm getting closer. And so let's get started, I guess. So I'm gonna see how far I go. Let's go! I made it. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I still haven't figured out a way to edit my videos because my phone is not allowing me to like connect my phone is not allowed to like connect that. Hold on one second, my friend is being really loud. Let me just wait, does that okay, I guess let's do that. So yeah, I'm not allowed, like I haven't been allowed to be able to do that. But before we move on to the RPGs, let's add the RPG ammo. Let's see how far this one would take us. And since the explosions are different, I want to see if it's different. Oh, I just messed up. Hold on. Okay, yeah, similar. I think this one, is a little bit more powerful. So close. Did I lose any health from that? For a second, I thought I did. Okay, let's go back. Now we're going to be starting with this and with one RPG ammo. This and one extra RPG ammo. And whoa. No, I keep messing up. It's hard to do this with only one hand. Oh wait. Dang it. I didn't. I probably would have made it, but let's retry. Let's retry that one more time. Yeah. Go. Gosh, it feels like my headset's about to fall off my head. I seriously need the battery pack. Okay, let's retry that. I'm getting it for my birthday soon because my birthday's coming up. Letting you guys know that. So if you guys want to, oh my gosh, why do I keep doing that? If you guys want to wish me a happy birthday, you can on June 18th. That's my birthday. Okay, let's try that once. One more time. Just one. Sorry, I just keep messing up. better. If anything, it was worse in the RPG. Okay, now we're going to be doing it. 2 RPG ammo. And I want to launch like clear up there. Nah. Hold on, let me just double check something really quickly. Okay. This and 2 other RPGs. I know, I'm lazy. Why are these making any difference? Now 3 different RPGs. And they have 3 fingers. So when I do this, it's like a 3-5. Wait. A high 3, sorry. 1. Popper! Oh my gosh. I did go. Hold on 1 second. My dog is being. Popper! Quit! Now I need 4. This is not doing any difference. I'm gonna just probably stop at 4 if I'm not noticing anything different. All I'm noticing is it's making my game lag. Okay, well, yep, I think that's it. Okay, well, peace. Make sure you like and subscribe, and peace.